a paper trade because today was at NFP. NFP Friday, end of the week, no more news. So I definitely wasn't expecting this type of move today, but uh, I took it on paper trade. I decided to push the button and make the decision. So I think it's worth going over. So what I was looking at here, I definitely didn't have that much confidence in this setup. It wasn't A plus, but was a win. So to the left of us, we have all these imbalances. So we can bounce at any point. The reason I took this trade, I took it on ES, was just literally based off the internal model targeting equilibrium of the external model. So looking at NQ here, we have an SMT here. Sorry, my computer's tweaking. And ES didn't take that low, which kind of showed me that we were a little stronger on ES. So this is that low that was taken on NQ but not on ES, and as you can see, it's kind of a soup entry. So this low gets taken, we push up, we hold this imbalance while taking this low on NQ, which just seemed super bullish to me. So we had this SMT here, and as soon as I see this move out of this fair value gap, I jumped in long, targeting equilibrium of the range. You can see here it hit that perfectly. Didn't anticipate this. I just took what I was confident in. It was a good trade. But then again, a paper trade. Glad I recognized it. I wasn't even really looking at the charts too long. I kind of just hopped on and saw the SMT and saw it starting to set up. I wasn't confident in entering just off of this because this could just as easily tank lower and just manipulate these lows one more time or just displace down. Looking at NQ, this did give an AMD model. You can see here we accumulate in this area, then we manipulate the lows and pump up higher. So this wasn't an entry I was confident taking just on the turtle soup, but I'm glad I recognized it and took it after the reaction. This is almost a perfect AMD model. Fuck, my computer's tweaking. But yeah, that's about it. Also, another reason I didn't trade today is because, let me delete everything off this. I'll just look at NQ. But if we zoom out to the 4 hour, this is starting to clear up now. Now what we want to do is manipulate these highs here. So I'm guessing these will be taken today or Monday. But these are my next draws on liquidity after, depending on the close of this, running through these imbalances here. Because yesterday we pump up here, we could just be pumping up to OTE and holding this imbalance. Until this gets ran through, we're unsure of the draw. And once these get taken, we're starting to form low resistance liquidity on the lows. So like zooming into the 15-minute, this is going to be a target, and this kind of makes these imbalances weaker. So, and then once this gets taken, I'm confident we're going to run all in one move just to take out all of these lows. And ES has an even better one. See, equal lows here. This is definitely going to be a target. These highs got taken. Or actually, let me zoom out. Let me look at NQ here. Okay, so now we have a big ass SMT at these highs, but if NQ closes out this fair value gap, I expect it to still run the highs, and I do think it's gonna run the highs today. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at going into next week. That's about it. Win on the paper trade.